Manifestation money success story for you. Listening to this video here, it's going to increase your belief and faith that this manifestation stuff works, and it's going to work for you. Okay, so listening into this video here, just to preface who you're going to see on the video, it's one of my clients in my course. They followed through on the manifestation techniques and things. And even if you're just on the YouTube channel here, not one of my students just yet, that's just fine. These are all the methods. It's going to work for you. But listen into my student here to allow you to experience the belief and faith that this stuff works. Okay, we're going to be putting out more success stories like this because the more you hear, the more you believe. The more you hear that people are winning with this stuff and this stuff does work, the more you're going to have faith in yourself and the results that can come. Okay, just before we jump into the success story, 3 things to do. 1, throw a like on the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel and clicking the bell icon so that you get notified when we send out more success stories. Okay, this is going to help you massively as you move forward. Okay, number 2, comment below congratulations to the student. Okay, because the more that you feel good and congratulate others for their manifestations, the more you're going to feel good about you. We've all heard it before. If you don't like it, you're jealous of other people receiving money, guess what energy you're in around money? Not good. The more you feel congratulatory about somebody manifesting money, the more you're going to feel good about you manifesting money. So one of the greatest mindset shifts that you can do right away, congratulate right away. Throw it in the comments, congratulations to the student for manifesting the money. Again, it's going to clear your energy around money. It's going to help you so well. Number 3, also get involved with our programs as well. In the description below, there's a link for our course. And if you want coaching as well, we got a couple of different things for you there. If you want to be part of the course, it's a manifestation accelerator, and we got coaching also, where manifestations and results are made easy. It's a system for you to use. That's what the student's using, okay? But allow yourself to get involved, check it out, get involved if you want, okay? But that'll allow you to also have a system. All right, that's it. Let's jump into success story here. Really listen to it over and over and over. Allow your belief to skyrocket, allow your faith to go. Remember, this is an everyday person, okay? They're no different than anybody else. Everyone has manifestation power. I do, you do, same as a student. Okay, let's go right into it here. But again, remember, this person is no different than you and I. Let's jump into it.
My name is Brandon Hyman, and I want to first thank Scott Haug for this awesome program. In my first 4 weeks of the Manifestation Accelerator Breakthrough System, I manifested $1,029, $3,500, $3,423, and $8,970. That's a total of $16,922. I love this program because it takes the stress out of success. Listen, the modules are so easy to follow and implement, and compared to the other courses that I've taken in the past, the Manifestation Accelerator Breakthrough System has by far become my go-to program. Again, thank you, Scott Hall, and see you at the top.